I think the best customer for Bracalente is a customer that doesn't want to just buy parts. They want a partner.
Quality here at Bracalente is paramount. We always try to meet or exceed our customers' expectations.
We keep a flexible business model so that we can change as needed to be able to be in the right markets at the right time. And having that language of the industry is so important.
We manufacture machine products for all different industries.
We make the little parts that make the big parts work.
My grandfather started Bracalente's in 1950, right here in Trumbarsville. It was simple screw machine parts, and they really focused on the customer and what the customer wanted. And that was really the foundation of how we grew the business. In 2003, we were in a position where globalization really started to squeeze our business on all sides. Asia was where the growth was. So the trading business led us to starting our plant in China.
BMP China is a unique capability of Bracalente that allows us to be very versatile in what types of things we can machine. Being able to do some work in our supply chain allows us the opportunity to make sure that we can satisfy our customers' timelines in a flexible fashion.
Our Chinese team work very closely with the USA team, so we have access to the best technology and experience in the world. We can provide Western standard quality products, meanwhile with Chinese standard cost.
We're also working with other low-cost regions in India and Vietnam, and we have the base here in North America. Our plant in America proudly serves the aerospace and defense industries. We are AS 9100 certified and ITAR registered. We have technicians and engineers that understand regulated industries and speak the language. We're the type of company that a customer wants to partner with. We're just not a parts producer. We have risk mitigation built into our business planning and business modeling in the areas of quality, the areas of reliability, the areas of engineering and manufacturing improvements to make sure that the product that they're putting out there is the best overall value that they can buy.
It's a one-stop solution. A customer can give us a purchase order and we can buy parts from around the world and coordinate that for them and deliver that to them when they need it on time and at the right quality level.
I think another competitive advantage that we've been developing too is the technology.
It allows us to guarantee that we're making parts with better accuracy for our customers.
Ron and the leadership, they continue to put back into the company. They're putting back into the people. It's continuous education here.
Wherever the customer need is, we need to be able to shift our workforce. So a lot of cross-training. Our guys are very proud of the work that they do, and they're problem solvers.
It's the talent that we have, it's the talent that we're able to attract and retain. It's the development of that talent. We teach people things here that they have for a lifetime.
Our core management team has come from various backgrounds. It helps us with the startup process and streamlines it flawlessly.
Success for customers really lies in reliability of service. Knowing that I'm going to get the same product, the same consistency, knowing I can count on you to provide the services that my customers are looking for. It's understanding their business and understanding their products.
We have developed a global footprint.
It's given us the opportunity to grow into a larger manufacturing company along with our global supply chain.
We've stayed in defense, tactical, recreational, agriculture, industrial, hydraulic cylinders, hydraulic pumps. We have enough capacity in our network to flex whatever our customers are looking for.
Once a customer engages with Bracalente and they see the things that we can do, the capacity in the shop, the people that we have working here, they realize very quickly that we've become a strength that they can rely on.